Hello world, how are you? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my another content. In this content, I'm going to share with you a very vital topic. The topic name is how to make money online with Instagram, TikToks and YouTube. So please watch my full video and follow or subscribe my channel. That's how I'll be able to see your content even while I'll publish my same content into my channel. And I strongly believe that this content will be very helpful for you make money online journey. So don't waste your time because time is very valuable for us, you and me. In this modern world, people are searching like google.com, youtube.com, instagram.com. How can I make money online with very proven method? But they can't find the solution. In this video I will give you better solution for make money online like Instagram, TikTok and YouTube short. So please watch my full video, don't skip even 0 second. So this is time for beginning. First topic is how to make money on Instagram for beginner in 2026 or future. Step 1, choose your niche like tech, like finance, like fashion and like travels. Doesn't matter, you can choose any kind of niche. Then create your account, go follow using reels and engaging post. Step 3, monetize with affiliate marketing and short out. Monetize with affiliate marketing and short outs. Like your niche is fitness, follower count 10k. Monetize affiliate product plus sponsor post. Earning potential like 50 to 300 USD per month for beginner. Then you can scale this earning like 500 to 2000 USD per month. Can we guess this? Can you imagine this? That's like 10k to 50k followers. And number 2 is TikTok money making secret for beginners. TikTok is one of the greatest way to make money online, but people are thinking they can only funny videos sales, but this is one of the greatest way to earn money online. Same process. Firstly choose your niche like dance, comedy and tutorials. Post 1 or 3 TikToks daily using trending sound. Step 3, earn via creator fund, affiliate marketing or vandals. Like your niche is life hacks, follower is 5k to 20k. Monetization like TikTok creator fund and product link. And earning potential like 20 to 200 USD month. A small account 500 to 1500 month. You just gain 50k plus followers. This is a very proven method for earn money online. And number 3 is YouTube short for quick money in 2026 or if you try live. Step 1, create a YouTube short on trending post like trending topics like make money online, like fitness, like funny video. You can choose any kind of niche. And step 2 is post daily, focus on viral content. Post daily and focus with your viral content. Step 3 is monetize with YouTube program and affiliate links. Niche like funny short for AI tips or like make money online for beginner. You can choose any kind of niche. And subscriber like 1k to 10k. Monetization like YouTube short fund and affiliate link earning potential 50 to 500 month. Small challenge 1000 to 5000 USD per month. Can you guess this? How much will pay you? Just this kind of short video if you get 50k to 100k subscriber. So thank you everyone for watching my this kind of content. I can't follow my this content now. I'm showing with you exactly practical ways to earn money online. So don't skip this video and watching my full video. Thank you for watching my this kind of content, and I strongly believe that this content will be very helpful for your page online journey. See you soon with another content. Please stay tuned with me and follow, subscribe my channel. That's why you'll be able to see my content.